Hello, Nick here from TechNuovo and welcome back to the channel. I've recently moved house, and if you've watched one of my videos in the past, you can see that my desk and office space looks a little bit different now. This is an opportunity for a fresh start, something different, a new look. And when Easy Shopper got in touch about one of their stand-in desks, I thought let's start there. This is a stand-in desk, and for those of you unaware, this desk has motorized legs or frame, which allows you to move the desktop up and down to either a sit at, stand at, or somewhere in between kind of desk. Three size options are available to purchase: 140 by 70, 160 by 75, or 180 by 80 in centimeters, with the 140 and 160 coming in white or oak desktop, with the 180 offering oak only. Prices start from £299 here in the UK for the 140 model and up to £330 for the 180 version. There is an option to purchase just the motorized frame or legs for £250, and then you source your own desktop to put on top. Spec wise, it's motorized as mentioned earlier, with a height range of 72 to 117 centimeters. It has a handy control panel on the right hand side of the desk for manual up and down control, plus default heights for sitting and standing. Weight load on their website is stated at 150 kilograms, so if the total weight of your PC, monitor, whatever else you've got on your desk goes up to 150 kilograms, which is quite a lot, the frame will still function. Before I set it up delivery wise, it was efficient, yes, but it came flat packed in two packages, the frame and the desktop came in two parts. So if you're thinking about getting it delivered somewhere other than your home or location you're setting it up, the boxes are small enough to fit in your car. I got this delivered to work and took it home, and I didn't have a solid 160 centimeter long desk sticking out the boot of my car. Setup was quite simple. It took less than an hour for me, and the only other tool I used other than what was supplied was my hand drill for some of the screws, just to make it a little easier. The frame comes in various pieces, both left and right parts, plus the longer lengths used to join the two together. Some screws, some bolts, put the feet on. It's quite straightforward. The desktop part comes in two pieces as mentioned earlier, and you have to join the two pieces together with three metal braces screwed through into pre-drilled holes. Once done, you pop that on top into position and screw the frame to the desktop. After that, it's a matter of linking the two motors together with the supplied control cable, plugging it into the mains, screwing the controls into place, and if you wanted to, attach the provided cup or stationary holder, which I didn't do because I didn't feel I needed it, but the option is there for you. As for performance, it works well and does the job it's meant to do. The controls are very simple. You can press either the sitting or standing buttons and walk away, or manual adjust the height to suit, which I did find myself doing quite a lot. I am 5'10", and the default standing position was comfortable for me, and I could work like that for a couple of hours quite easily. Speed up and down seems fine on average with other desks, and they're never really that quick, nor would you want it to be in case there's a chance of anything falling off in transit. Noise, it's okay, not overly off-putting, nor does it really last that long either. For me, I've put my PC on the desk plus my 34-inch monitor and a few other bits, which is a fair weight and size, but there is still loads of spare space for other bits as well. My monitor is attached to its own stand, but you can install a monitor arm if desired. There is adequate space at the back of the desk for the clamp to be installed correctly. Cable management can be done, but I've not yet finessed that. Some 3M cable clamps are provided in the box, which helps out a little bit. The build quality seems good. The frame is sturdy and doesn't move an inch, which is great. The desktop is basic MDF or chipboard covered with a white or oak effect finish. I went for the white finish as I just cannot stand the fake looking wood, and the white looks pretty clean. Longevity concerns me a little bit, how long the motors will last before getting burnt out, whether it's X hundred uses, but time will tell, and I'll drop a comment below if I find the motor going bust anytime soon. So there we have it. That was the Beast desk from Easy Shopper. It's my new desk for work, gaming and editing, and so far it's been great. The frame is sturdy, the motor works well. I'm enjoying standing while I work. The desktop in two parts with a line through the center is a little off-putting, but I appreciate it helps with shipping. Controls work well, the white looks clean and tidy. There is plenty of space for me, and I feel the price is competitive when you look around the market. I don't plan on changing desks anytime soon now, so I'll keep you posted in the comments below with any updates. And if you have any questions, just let me know. That's a wrap on this video. Thank you very much for sticking around, and if you want to see more videos from us in the future, hit that subscribe button and all our future videos will pop up in your feed.